you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! I am going to attempt to recreate a look that I saw on American Idol. A few weeks ago, I just happened to have walked by when my little sister was watching and I saw this. Now, let me tell you, I could not stop staring. Of course, the song she was singing like gave me chills to my bones because Adele always makes me cry. It has literally been living rent-free in my head, okay? So, if you want to see me recreate this very gorgeous look from this specific American Idol contestant, which I have to find her name and insert somewhere over here, then keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start with the hair. Before I start, I'm gonna make sure to brush my hair all the way through before I style it. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. I'm gonna part it as far as the closure goes, but I'm gonna part it in like a circular way. So I'm gonna part like this. I'm gonna brush it again because we need it to lay as flat as possible. And then I'm just going to, okay, I'm gonna use a little hair ponytail holder. I'm just gonna ponytail this right back there, guys. So this is it. It's really flat. The back is loose, so I can do this or whatever I want to do with it. I'm gonna put a bit of the got to be on it and brush it down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down a little bit. So my hair is dry now. We're gonna go in with our pearls. I got this from Amazon and I will put it on my Amazon storefront, so definitely check down below for the link. It comes with four different sizes. It comes with 4 different sizes. So we're just gonna randomly place them on my head. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my base routine for this inspired look. The hair is done. It took me a while to try to get all of it together, and I lost the pearl, but I feel like you can put as many or as little as you want. This to me is like enough. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with my One Size Secure the Blur primer. I feel like if One Size wants to send me anything, they should send me some more of this because it is nice. Okay, so following the Ray Ray routine that I did, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder. I'm taking my damp sponge. I'm gonna take some of the Dermal Blend powder and I'm gonna add it to my face. I'm not putting a lot. Next, we're gonna go in with the foundation. We're using the Rare Beauty foundation. This is the shade 57N. I'm gonna put some on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in with the butt of my blender, and this blender is damp. Going in with the Jaclyn concealer. This is the shade Rich Neutral. I'm gonna put a bit of the Dose of Colors concealer in the middle. Let's go ahead and blend it out. I'm gonna set with Benign Nutmeg. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base. I'm taking the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 3, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna use this bronzer palette. I'm using the middle one on my eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of the deeper shade and I'm just gonna blend it into the outer corner of my crease, just to intensify it a little bit. So looking at the video again, it looks like she has like a slight cut crease with a lighter shade. It looks like a neutral eye cut crease, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a light base, which is the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the shade number 1, and I'm gonna do a small cut crease. Okay, so I'm taking the Nubian Earth palette, going into this shade Okay, and I'm gonna put that over what we just did just to set it a little bit. I needed a bit of a warmer brown. That's why I used the bronzer, because it had a little bit more warmth in there. If that was not the case, I would definitely use the Nubian palette. Okay, so there is an eyeliner on here. It looks more like it's a smoked out liner. I'm gonna do a regular liner, but I'm not gonna make it big, so it's gonna be very small. Kind of sort of to mimic the one she has, but hers is not gonna be as intense as mine, obviously, because she is paler than me. But I'm gonna go ahead and line a little bit. I'm gonna follow my lower lash line up. Oh, this liner is gorgeous. Because she has such small eyes, her liner wasn't very big. I'm taking this shade in the Nubian Earth palette, just very lightly putting it over, not all of it, but just the, so her eyes are very, very sparkly, and at one point I feel like she has a speck of rhinestone right in the middle, just to give it that very glittery, shiny look. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm thinking it looks like. To give that, I'm taking this holo glitter that I bought from Amazon. I will add it to my Amazon storefront, so definitely go check that out. A clear duo lash glue. I'm gonna place it in the middle of my eye. I love you. Okay, so this is it. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. I feel like it looks very similar to her eyes. I'm just gonna apply some mascara and some lashes. I'm using the Sephora collection Molasses. So this is what that looks like. It's a warmer brown lip shade compared to my other darker brown lip pencils. A random gloss on my table. I'm gonna put in the middle of this. Put some highlighter on my face just to, you know. I'm gonna use 3 setting sprays right now. One of my favorite shimmering highlighters, this is the LA Girl Shimmering Spray. So this is it for me, showing you guys my recreation of a look that I saw on American Idol by one of the contestants. I've been searching and I cannot find what her name is. So if you know who she is, or if you know her name, definitely leave it down below, because this look is gorgeous. If she came up with it, it is absolutely gorgeous. If she didn't come up with it, her stylist did her damn thing with this, and I am so happy because I have never put any kind of ornaments in my hair, and this is given. Okay, let me know down below what you think about this recreation. Did I nail it? Did I not nail it? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.